This video will walk you through how to delete a program. For the purpose of this video, I have downloaded a program that is not allowed to be in your calculator. Remember, you are only allowed to have the 5 programs of INVT, S2int, S2test, ZZ inut, and ZZ menu. These programs, if they're not already on your calculator, will be downloaded by your instructor. Just make sure that you come by an office time or schedule an appointment to make it happen. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the program menu, as we saw in the previous application or video, and we notice that we have a program in here that is not on our approved list. So we're going to go through and hit second followed by the plus sign. So right here it shows second and plus sign in your lecture note. That doesn't mean hit them at the same time. It means one followed by the other. Then we'll go to option number 2. As you see, option number 2 is the memory management delete option. You can hit the down arrow followed by the enter key if you highlight it, or just simply press number 2 to go directly to that option. Then we're going to go to option 7. Let's see what that is. So let's scroll down. We can use the down arrow here. And we see option number 7 is a program. So we can either hit enter right now because it's highlighted, or we can just press the number 7. Now you see we're on a cursor here where A1 prime is. Now to delete this program that we do not want, we simply press the delete key, which is abbreviated DEL, and we confirm that yes, number 2, we want this program to be deleted. Now you will need to go through this step to delete each one of the programs that you're not allowed to have one at a time. Again, some of you have no programs in there, which you're okay with. That concludes how to delete a program from your calculator.